Welcome back to Ultra Auto Motorhome, and today we're taking a close look at a motorhome that blends German engineering, modern technology, and refined luxury into one impressive package. This is the BMW Motorhome 2026, a vision of absolute luxury on wheels, designed for travelers who want performance, comfort, and precision wherever the road takes them. From the first glance, the exterior makes a strong impression. The front end clearly carries BMW's design DNA with a bold interpretation of the iconic kidney grille adapted for a motorhome scale. It's framed by sleek LED laser headlights that give the vehicle a sharp, modern look while delivering excellent visibility at night. The body lines are clean and aerodynamic, reducing wind resistance and road noise during long highway drives. Subtle chrome accents and dark trim details add a premium touch without overwhelming the design. Along the sides, the BMW Motorhome 2026 looks surprisingly athletic for its size. Large panoramic windows stretch along the body, offering plenty of natural light and stunning views from inside. The smooth paneling and flush-mounted storage compartments maintain a clean appearance while improving aerodynamics. Strong alloy wheels with BMW-branded center caps give the motorhome a confident stance, while the rear design remains elegant and functional, featuring slim LED taillights and a wide rear section designed for easy access and loading. Step inside, and the interior immediately feels like a modern luxury lounge inspired by BMW's high-end sedans. The space is bright, open, and thoughtfully designed. Premium leather upholstery, soft-touch surfaces, and high-quality wood or aluminum trim create an environment that feels both sporty and sophisticated. The color scheme is calm and elegant, reflecting BMW's minimalist approach to luxury. Sound insulation is excellent, keeping the cabin quiet and relaxing even at highway speeds. The main living area is designed with comfort and flexibility in mind. Plush seating provides excellent support for long journeys and can be easily reconfigured for lounging, dining, or sleeping. Ambient lighting runs throughout the cabin, adjustable to match different moods and times of day. BMW's focus on ergonomics is clear, with every control placed exactly where it feels natural to reach. The kitchen area is compact but impressively functional. It features a sleek induction cooktop, a built-in microwave or oven, a refrigerator, and smart storage solutions that keep everything secure while driving. The countertops are durable and stylish, designed to withstand daily use while maintaining a premium look. Soft close cabinets and drawers add to the sense of quality, making the kitchen practical for real cooking on the road. Moving toward the sleeping area, the BMW Motorhome 2026 offers a comfortable and well-designed bedroom space. The main bed uses a high-quality mattress that provides excellent support for restful sleep after long days of travel. Surrounding storage compartments are integrated seamlessly into the walls, keeping the space uncluttered. Large windows bring in natural light during the day, while blackout shades ensure privacy and darkness when needed. The bathroom continues the theme of modern luxury and efficiency. It includes a spacious shower, a stylish sink, and a well-designed toilet system. High-quality materials, good lighting, and effective ventilation make the bathroom feel clean and comfortable, even during extended trips. Everything is designed to be easy to use and maintain, which is essential for life on the road. Performance is where BMW's engineering truly stands out. The BMW Motorhome 2026 is built on a robust chassis and powered by a mild diesel hybrid system. This setup delivers strong torque for confident acceleration and smooth cruising, even when fully loaded. The motorhome feels stable and composed on the highway, with responsive steering that makes it easier to handle than you might expect for a vehicle of this size. The suspension system is tuned to balance comfort and control, absorbing bumps and uneven roads while keeping the cabin stable. Advanced driver assistance features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. These technologies reduce driver fatigue and make long-distance travel safer and more enjoyable. Technology plays a major role throughout the motorhome. The driver cockpit features a large digital display inspired by BMW's latest infotainment systems, offering navigation, vehicle data, and entertainment options. Inside the living area, a central control panel allows you to manage lighting, climate, battery levels, and water systems with ease. Connectivity options keep you online and entertained wherever your journey takes you. Now let's talk about price. The BMW Motorhome 2026 is positioned in the premium luxury segment, with estimated starting prices between $250,000 and $300,000, depending on configuration and options. Fully equipped models with advanced technology and luxury upgrades can go higher, but the value lies in BMW's reputation for quality, performance, and reliability. The BMW Motorhome 2026 is built for travelers who want precision, comfort, and elegance in every mile. It combines German engineering with modern luxury to create a motorhome that feels refined, capable, and truly special. Thanks for watching Ultra Auto Motorhome, and I'll see you on the next road ahead.